to Tagbilaran. Time now for convenience at 12 minutes past the hour of 4 in the afternoon, and the date today is 14th of September 2018 on a Friday. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around your seat for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please. The plane master, our cabin crew, and ground staff will be very happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Roman and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino mabuhay, at maraming salamat po. Please be reminded the removal of any in-flight property is prohibited. Can you keep these items in this compartment for the benefit of our next passengers? Infant live will be collected after passenger disembarkation. Thank you for your cooperation.